Available immediately is Navac's new N2A4 impact-resistant analog manifold gauge set. The first and most striking difference is the physical size. Dramatically larger gauge diameters are going to ensure technicians have no problem seeing pressures or temperatures on a whitewashed roof in the middle of July. In addition to increased visibility, the larger gauge size gives us more room to add more refrigerant scales to the readout itself. The N2A4 is going to include scales for R404A, R134A, R22, and R410A. Much like their predecessors, the N2A4 is going to include the quarter-turn ball valves for easy and precise metering of refrigerant. 45-degree parking posts on the left and right side of the gauge will allow for a more streamlined appearance when the hoses are not in use. A sight glass is still included to allow the technician to see whether they've got vapor, liquid, or flash gas running through the manifold. The back will still contain magnets that keep the hook secured when not in use. And like all Navac manifolds, they are incredibly durable, rugged, and impact resistant. Side note, one of my favorite improvements from the N2A4 over its predecessors, well, is the name. I'd like to extend a huge thank you to the factory for granting us the ability to change from 25 characters to 4. The N2A4 has a much better ring than the N20026ZY to the 4th power divided by 6 squared. The N2A4 has replaced our previous analog manifold gauge sets, and I think it's going to be a winner.